Hello kids, today we are going to perform salt painting activity. It is 3D art so that you can feel it on the paper. Now things which are required for this activity is one paper on which you are going to do the artwork, and if you are not using paint color you can use colored paper, and if you are using paint you can use white paper, and salt, paint if you are using, and a school glue. School glue is compulsory. So firstly I am taking one marker. You can use any pencil, pen, whatever you have, and you can just draw the outline which you want. Like I am making one circle like this, and wavy pattern here also and here also. So this is a toffee wrap. So I have completed with my outline. Now what I have to do is I have to apply the glue on it. I am taking Fevicol. You can use any glue which you have at home, which is available at your home. Now I have to apply the glue on the outline like this, and we have to do this process very quickly because if it will get dry, salt will not stick to it. So we will do it very quickly, and you can do it one by one also. You can make one line, then you can continue with the activity. So now I have done with the outline. Now I have to take just pinch of salt. Pinch of salt we have to spread on the outline which we made with the glue. Like this we will spread the salt. I am taking pinch of salt and spreading it over the glue outline, and spread it all over like this. Try to spread it only on the outlines like this. Like this we will do. Okay, so now I am checking it out that all the parts are covered, and if it is done I will take another paper. I will keep it under the paper of artwork, and I will just hold it up and I will just tap it like this. I have to tap the paper like this. Now it is done. See, I got one beautiful chocolate. So like this you can draw the things. If you are using color paper you can leave it like this, and if you are not using color paper you can just take the paint and you can use more water. So less color, more water, because it will get colored automatically. Like if you will just tap on it, color will spread automatically. No need to spread the color, just we have to tap on it like this. I am just tapping. So you have to use more water and less color. It will get spread automatically like this. It will get colored automatically. So this is how we can color it. We will use more water and less color, and do not need to spread it with the brush, just tap. It will get colored automatically, and you can use different color, different shapes like this. Now one more way of doing is you can draw the things directly with the glue bottle. So here I am making one leaf like this with the help of glue bottle. I'm making it with glue bottle directly. Now we can use any color. So here I'm going to use green color. Firstly, we need to cover it with the salt. So after covering it with the salt, we will follow the same process. Like this. Now it is covered properly. Again, we have to just pour the extra salt out with the help of tapping. Like this you will tap. Now it's done. I got my outline properly. So this is how we can do the activity. Now I am taking green color. We can leave it for getting it dry, and after that you can paint it. So I am using green color now. Again, we want more water, so we will just tap it like this. It will get colored automatically. Like this you can tap at little bit distance. It will get covered properly and automatically. There is no need to spread the color. It will get spreaded automatically. So like this we can do the activity, and it is 3D. When it will get dry, you can feel it with your hand, and you can leave it colorless. If you don't have colors, you can leave it colorless, and you can use colored paper instead of any normal paper. Okay, so we have done with the salt painting today, and in our next class we are going to start the journey of writing. So for that we need 4 lines notebook, which is English notebook, pencil and eraser. So we will start with the writing part. So I hope you enjoyed the activity, and you will do it at your home, and you will send all the photographs and videos by doing this activity. So bye bye, I am taking your leave now.